Welcome to my video. Where are you from? I'm from Nayarit, Mexico, but I live in El Salto, Jalisco. What's your name? Hi, my name is Edson Aciel. I'm 50 years old. My nationality Mexican. My favorite day of the week is Saturday because I can relax and hang out with friends. My favorite color are blue and black. My favorite subject is sexuality and gender. What school do you go to? I go to Preparatoria Regional del Salto. What grade are you in? I'm in one semester of high school. Favorite activities? My favorite activities are listening to Billie Eilish music, eating ice cream, and watching movies. What is your favorite seasons? My favorite seasons are winter and the fall. My favorite months are December and October because of Christmas and Halloween. Best friend. My best friend is Daniela Nicole. I met her at my school.